Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by using a lossless file because removing voice needs clean data to avoid artifacts. Open the file and scan the waveform and spectrogram to locate vocal energy. Mark those time ranges as regions to process. Next, immediately duplicate the track and label the copy as a backup so you can revert. Once done, load a dedicated vocal reduction plugin or a spectral editor. This gets you straight into action and preserves the original audio for comparison. You now perform the main removal. If vocals are centered, apply center channel subtraction by inverting polarity on one channel and adjusting levels. This cancels shared center content. For overlapping frequencies, switch to a spectral editor and surgically reduce vocal harmonics while preserving transients. Alternatively, run an AI vocal remover in adaptive mode and test on short segments. Adjust sensitivity so music stays intact. Make sure to compare processed and unprocessed segments to balance voice reduction against musical fidelity. You finish by cleaning artifacts. Use multiband EQ to notch remaining vocal bands and a gentle de-esser to remove sibilants left behind. Once satisfied, add subtle reverb or stereo widening to mask small defects and help the instrumental sit naturally. Make sure to /B with the original. If you hear warbling or pumping, reduce processing strength and rerun. Troubleshooting tip: if artifacts worsen, revert to your backup and iterate with milder settings or alternate methods until the balance is right.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.